A great Chinese-style beef and broccoli should have tender, juicy beef, bright green, crisp broccoli, and a light, glossy sauce that clings to everything without being watery. Today, let's make a restaurant-quality beef and broccoli at home. Slice the beef thinly against the grain. This helps keep it tender when cooked. Add pepper, soy sauce, cooking wine, and cornstarch. Drizzle in a little oil to lock in moisture. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Cut the broccoli into florets. A few carrot slices for extra color. And chop some garlic. Mix the sauce. Water, oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, chicken bouillon powder, and cornstarch. Stir and set aside. Bring water to a boil, add salt and a little oil. This keeps the broccoli bright green after blanching. Blanch the broccoli and carrot for no more than 2 minutes. Heat oil over medium-high heat. Spread the beef out. Cook just until it changes color. Don't overcook. Take it out before it's fully cooked. Add a little more oil. Toss in the garlic and stir until fragrant. Add the broccoli and carrots. Give them a quick stir for 5 to 10 seconds. Return the beef to the pan. Give your sauce a quick stir to prevent the cornstarch from settling. Pour in half the sauce and toss everything together. Add the remaining sauce and stir for another 5 to 10 seconds until it thickens and coats everything. For extra aroma, you can drizzle in a little sesame oil at the end. And that's it. Tender beef, crisp, bright broccoli, all coated in a glossy sauce. Give it a try this weekend. Thanks for watching. See you next time.